AI isn't replacing engineers. It is replacing your operating model. Most conversations about AI in software are stuck at the wrong level. Can we write the code faster? Can we reduce engineering costs? Can AI replace our junior developers? That's not a real shift. What's emerging right now isn't the coding upgrade. It's a new operating model for knowledge work. Software just happened to be the first place we can see it clearly. And that's why this is no longer a technical issue. It's a system design one or leadership one. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Celine Xu. I've spent 11 plus years in AI and machine learning. I help business professionals and organizations make smart decisions about AI so technology create real value instead of risk. Chapter 1. From assistants to digital teams. For the past 2 years, we've been thinking about AI as a single assistant. You ask, it answers. You correct, it try again. Heavy supervision, lots of back and forth, endless iteration. That model is already outdated. The most advanced AI system today don't behave just as assistant, but a team member or a thinking partner. Sometimes, not just even one, but multiple specialized digital workers together. One retrieves the right information, one reasons deeply about the problem, one applies change at scale, one reviews and validates, and all coordinated by a central manager agent. This architecture mirrors how high-performance human teams actually work. The new model, specialized parallel work, clear roles, structured coordination. This is not just a feature improvement. It is an architecture redesign. Chapter number 2. The principles behind the shift. There are 4 principles drive this change. First, the specialization over generalization. Stop asking one model to do everything. Specialized agents or specialized skills for same agent outperform general ones, just like humans do. Second, structured feedback loops. Instead of trial and error prompting, systems now include built-in review and validation layer. From search to think to execute to review and think again, the loop matters more than model size. Third, clear separation of cognitive models. As we mentioned, we have the chain of search, think, execute, review, and the loop. Each stage, you can use different model or capability. When those are separate clearly, performance stabilized. 4. Humans move up the stakes. Humans stop doing repetitive, boring tasks, but focus on reviewing, deciding, setting objectives clearly, handling edge cases. That dramatically reduces confusion and rework and help humans focus on most important stuff, increase the productivity and satisfaction of the work. This is why agent or agent team can accomplish the task more automatically without interrupting, and how agents conquer coding. Chapter 3. Why this is about system design. Here is the part most organizations are missing. This isn't about coding faster. It's about changing economics of complex work. Let's break down. First, experts move from doing to orchestrating. One senior engineer can now supervise what previously required a team to do. The bottleneck shift from labor to oversight. These winners won't be the company with most engineers. They will be the company with the best intelligence orchestration architecture. That's an organizational shift. Second, design the review loop and process. When systems include reasoning and review loop, error drop. Not because AI is smart, but because architecture is smarter. That's not a model decision. That's a design constraint decision. Third, thinking like a CFO about tokens. You don't deploy your most powerful reasoning model for every task. Simple tasks use lightweight agents. Complex tasks escalate. That's resource allocation. Which means this becomes a CFO conversation, not just an engineering one. 4. Documented knowledge become reusable. Workflows, decision patterns, validation logic, anything you can digitalize or put into words, document it. They stop living in one expert's hand. They become systematics. Let's change how organizations scale expertise. Chapter number 4, the bigger pattern. Software development is just the first proving ground. This model will expand it to financial modeling, operational planning, legal review, product design, and even strategy analysis. Anywhere complex reasoning meets execution, the pattern is the same, from individual experts to orchestrated intelligence systems. The question is no longer, can AI help us work faster? It's, are we redesigning our organization for a world where intelligence is abundant, but attention, judgment, and coordination are scarce? That's not a tooling decision. It's a leadership one. Because once intelligence becomes cheaper, architecture becomes strategy. If this shifted your thinking, subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with someone ready for this. And ask yourself, are you deploying AI features or redesign how your organization produce outcomes? Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.